How to tie the water bowline. So to tie the water bowline, to the right hand side here is my working end, and I've just chosen a section in the middle of the line so that we can start tying the knot. The first thing that we need to do is create a loop, and all I'm going to do is just bring the rope around, fold it over like so, and we've created our first loop. So you can see the rope is going underneath itself, round, and then over the top and off to the working end. I'm now going to do exactly the same again. I'm going to create a second loop, and so right next to it, create a second loop, and you now have two loops. What we do now is we take the left hand loop and pass it over the right hand loop. And for those of you who really know your knots, we've basically created here the clove hitch. Now we've done that, I'm going to take my working end and I'm going to go underneath those two loops and pass it up through those two loops. So bring it round underneath, pass it up through, and then the next thing we do is we finish it off like we do a normal bowline. So I bring the working end around underneath the standing end, bring it round underneath like so, just take a little bit more through, and then once we've done that, I've gone under the standing end at this point, I then go back down through those two loops parallel to where we came up. So go down through those two loops parallel to where we came up, and then you can start dressing your knot up nice and smartly, and you then end up with a nice secure water bowline. Dress it up a bit more than I have.